So I'm finally back from a 3-week journey from South America. So I've been traveling to Brazil, Argentina, and Chile. And I've realized that using your phone to capture moments is honestly the best way to document your journey without the need of expensive filmmaking equipment. You always have it with you, and the quality has gotten so good that most people wouldn't even know the difference if it was taken on a regular camera. Now, something that always frustrated me was carrying around a lot of equipment when visiting new places. This is especially true when filming on a DSLR camera. Now, not only was it heavy, but most of the time I wouldn't even use all of the stuff. Now we tend to overpack and think we must bring every piece of equipment to make our videos look great. However, we forget that sometimes just having the key accessories with you is all that you need to bring your videos to the next level. Now, what's great about using the accessories for smartphones is that they are relatively inexpensive and lightweight, making them easy to take with you on your journey. So in this video, guys, I will share my top smartphone filmmaking accessories that you should consider taking with you on your next adventure. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in the products mentioned, I will leave a link to them in the video description below. Now, if you have been following me on my channel, you might know that I mostly use the latest iPhone, which as of making this video is the iPhone 14 Pro. However, guys, remember that you don't need the latest phone to make your videos look great. It really mostly comes down to knowing how to use your camera. Well, Bennett, I want to see you shoot on an old iPhone. Well, guys, I actually have an older video showing you how to shoot a cinematic video using the iPhone X, which I will also leave a link below. Now, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly iPhone, the iPhone I would recommend today is the iPhone SE of 2022 that offers great image quality. Now, going back to the iPhone 14 Pro, what's great about it is that it shares most of the Max version features and is a bit cheaper and lighter, making it compatible with most mobile gimbals. What's cool is that the iPhone 14 Pro is water resistant, meaning you can worry less about it getting wet when you're immersed beneath one of the world's largest waterfalls. Now, if you ever have the chance to visit the Iguazu Falls, do it, guys. It's really a must-see. Now, the iPhone 14 Pro also has a great image stabilization, making it ideal for smooth handheld shots. It also has 3 lenses on the back, allowing me to shoot with different focal lengths to create a more dynamic shot. One of my favorite features is cinematic mode, as it creates a nice separation between the subject and the background, giving you a similar look to videos shot on a DSLR camera. Now, despite the impressive stabilization on the iPhone 14 Pro, I still prefer carrying a phone gimbal with me, as it makes capturing smooth footages easier and extends my phone's functionality. I've been using the Insta360 Flow throughout my trip and have to say that it is one of the best mobile gimbals out there. It is compact, lightweight, and foldable, has a magnetic clamp for a quick setup, and has a built-in extension pole for getting those low, high, or even selfie shots. What makes the Insta360 Flow better than the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is A, the setup time is faster with a one-step unfolding process, and B, comes equipped with a built-in power bank that enables phone charging on the go, and C, the gimbal has a convenient standby mode feature, eliminating the need to power it off frequently. Let me just quickly demonstrate it for you. So right now I have the gimbal turned on, and if I just hold here, it is now in standby mode, and I can just carry around like that. And once I see something, I can just simply press the trigger button and I'm ready to shoot again. Now, if you want to learn more about the Insta360 Flow, I will leave a link in the video description below. As a content creator, whenever I'm capturing B-rolls of myself looking into the distance, or taking a time-lapse at the highest point in Rio, or filming a talking head video like I'm doing right now for YouTube, a tripod belongs in every filmmaker's kit. I've been using the Carbon Edition tripod from SANDMARC for some time now, and it has become my go-to tripod. Its major advantage is that it's ultra lightweight at only 1 kilo and super compact, making it easy to bring along. Additionally, it's equipped with a phone holder and a mini ball head, simplifying the process of mounting your phone and swiftly adjusting the angle to your preference. It also features a convenient twist lock mechanism that enables you to adjust the height of your camera to your desired height. While it may be a higher priced option, the carbon fiber material makes it durable and easy to carry. And this is important as I frequently find myself on the go during my travels. Now, for those looking for a cheaper alternative, I recommend the tripod by SmallRig. Now, when it comes to audio is crucial for any video, and smartphones generally have average built-in microphones. That's why I always use an external mic for a better audio quality. My go-to microphone is the DJI Mic, a high-quality wireless microphone perfect for content creators. I'm actually using it right now so that you can hear the sound quality. It comes with a charging case, making it convenient to carry around. I can plug it straight into my iPhone with the included lightning adapter. I can also use it with the gimbal if I tend to vlog. It also includes a windshield, which I keep on most of the time when filming outdoors to minimize wind noise. The benefit of using a wireless mic is that I can move around freely while recording and not worry about the cord getting in my way. Additionally, you can connect a lavalier mic like I have right now to the transmitter for even better audio quality. The lavalier I recommend is from PowerDWise. Now, if you want to take your videos to the next level, why not add some drone footage to your mobile videos? My favorite one right now is the DJI Mini 3. It's small and lightweight, making it very portable. The image quality you get out of it is great, with 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and supports both vertical and landscape video recording. While I also own the DJI Mavic Pro 2, which is a top-notch drone for more complex projects, I find the Mini 3 a more practical choice when traveling due to its compact size. The DJI Mini 3 weighs only 249 grams, which means fewer flight restrictions, allowing you to use it in more places. Its intelligent flight battery provides up to 38 minutes of flight time, and I also got the Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit with the DJI RC featuring a built-in display. Although it's possible to operate the drone using your smartphone using the DJI Fly app, the DJI RC offers a more convenient way to launch the drone and enjoy a larger display. Now, it's worth mentioning that the DJI Mini 3 doesn't have an obstacle avoidance, so you will have to be a bit more careful when flying. But if you lose sight of your drone, the return to home function ensures that your drone will return to the home point. The DJI Mini 3 is probably the most affordable and user-friendly option for those who want to incorporate high-quality aerial footage into their videos. While there are a lot of great camera bags out there, my go-to bag is the 10-liter Moment racked camera sling. It's durable, water-resistant, and has a large compartment to store all of the essential gear I've mentioned. The bag comes with dividers, making it easy to organize my stuff. It fits my drone, my mobile gimbal, the DJI mic, and a tripod, which I can attach at the bottom, and still leaves room for extra items such as a water bottle or a shirt. Whenever I need to take my gear out, I can just swing it around and grab what I need with its top-down opening. It also has a small strap so the bag doesn't slide around when moving. For me, it has been a great experience when traveling around with this bag without putting unnecessary strain on my body. Now, because it also looks discreet, it reduces the chances of becoming a target of theft. And there you have it, guys. These are my recommended accessories for smartphone filmmaking while traveling. Now, you might have different shooting needs than me, so feel free to experiment with what works best for you. However, I think the gear mentioned is a great starting point if you're looking for ways to improve your mobile filmmaking setup. Now, let me guys know what you use in your daily mobile filmmaking. Make sure to leave them in the comment section below. as I'm always looking for ways to improve my setup. Now, if you're wondering what colors I use, they're from my premium mobile LUTs, which include 10 creative mobile LUTs that you can instantly apply to your mobile videos to make them look cinematic. Now make sure to visit smartphonefilmmaking.com to learn some of my best techniques and tips for creating cinematic videos and getting the most out of your smartphone. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I wish you all the best and see you the next time.